In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and make awesome icons in PowerPoint. So let's dive right in and start creating some amazing slides that truly stand out. First, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you've got a specific presentation you're working on, go ahead and open that PowerPoint file. If not, you can always create a new one to play around with these features. Now that you're in PowerPoint, look to the top of the screen. You'll notice a series of tabs at the top, and we're interested in the Insert tab. Click on it, as this is where you'll find most of the tools you need to add new elements to your slide. Once you've clicked on Insert, you'll see a menu bar with various options. For our icon creation, click on the Shape option. This is where we start building the base for our custom icon. In the Shapes menu, let's add a simple circle to your slide. You can do this by clicking and dragging on the slide to create the circle size that best suits your design needs. With your circle shape in place as a foundational layer, head back to that Insert tab we were talking about earlier. This time, instead of shapes, click on Icons. Icons are a fantastic way to add visual impact to your slides without overwhelming them with too much text or complexity. Clicking on icons will open a gallery with a wide variety of icon options suitable for almost any topic or theme you might be working with. Browse through the collection and pick an icon that you think will complement the narrative or aesthetic of your slide. Once you've found an icon that you like, select it. Then click on the Insert button to add this icon to your slide. PowerPoint will place it somewhere on the slide, but don't worry, you can move and adjust it to perfectly fit your layout. Now comes the creative part, arranging the icon on top of your circle shape. Simply click and drag the icon over the circle. This layering effect is a brilliant way to create a customized look that highlights your topic with professional flair. You might want to adjust the sizes of both the icon and the circle until they fit together perfectly. You can easily do this by clicking on their corner handles and dragging them to scale. And that's a wrap on how to import and create unique, eye-catching icons in PowerPoint. You now have a visually appealing slide that can effectively communicate your message. Experiment with different icons and shapes, and don't be afraid to get creative. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.